Sige na. Ay, only here. Where you go? Okay, Leo boy. Just only here, okay? Good morning, guys. Galang-galang si Leo na para magpakiyay. Oh, ay, only here, only here. Don't go there. Okay. Very naughty dog. Naughty dog. She's very naughty dog. See? Want to go here. Guys. Stay, yeah. Up. Yole boy. Oh, diba? Bongga ang Inday. It's a rainy day. Faster. No. Only here. No. Where you want to go? Not go there. No allow there. This is naughty dog. This is naughty dog. See. Ayan. Maulan na umaga, guys. Dito sa Malaysia. Alas 5 pa lang. Ang lakas na ng ulan kanina umaga. Ayan. Nahanap siya ng pisto kung saan siya pupupo. Kasi, ihi mo na yan. Kailang turn muna siya. No. Not allowed there. Only here. Only there. Go back. Up. Leo, go back. Quickly. Raining. Hahanap muna siya ng pwesto niya. O, diba? It's naughty dog. Ayan. O, diba? Parang nasa probinsya lang ako, guys. Kasi maraming puno-puno dito. Ito yung ng dalang ang guys. Ayan. So, Leonote. Quickly, here. Yep. Esther. What you see there? Yo. Let's go here. People say that I don't know. See this puppy want to poop now. Shit. Okay. What's there? Dito siya maglalakad sa maulan, diba? Sliding daw. Madulas yung matanda. Kawawa naman. Madulas kasi na-slide tuloy siya. Quickly here. Naglalakad siya doon. Madulas siya. Kasi malakas yung ulan. Yung kalain nadulas siya doon. Madulas kasi. Basa siya tuloy. Basa yung kanyang kalawan. Naglalakad siya. Nadulas. Madulas kasi guys dito. Alaga ko yan. Maghahanap siya ng mapupuan niya. Okay. Only here. Faster. Good morning, guys. Rainy morning. Every place in Malaysia. Dito muna kami ni Leo manjalan-jalan. Quickly. Only here. Tap here. See. Oh, smell before. See. Quickly. Up. Faster. It's raining men all